Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning. Today we'll have such fun. Yes! Goeiemôre, goeiemôre, goeiemôre almal hier. Goeiemôre, goeiemôre. Ons dag is vol plesier. Ja! Let's have a look at our calendar. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd. Our month is still the month of June. It's still winter, unfortunately. And it's a sunny day outside. Now, if today is Tuesday, what day was it yesterday? Yes, Monday. And how about this one? If today is the 23rd, what day was it yesterday? What number? What comes before 23? 22. And let's count backwards all the way from 23. Perhaps let's try and click our fingers. 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, not so fast, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. There we go. Let's sing our Hello from All the Children of the World song again. Have a look at the video. What other song do you know about saying hello? Of course! If I lived over in London town, the place where the king and queen bow down to welcome you, what would I say? Well done, hello. But at Parkview we say hello to you. Yes, at Parkview we say hello to you. If I lived over in Paris, France, the place where the can is the dance, to welcome you, what would I say? Good, bonjour in France. But at Parkview we say hello to you. Yes, at Parkview we say hello to you. If I lived over in sunny Spain, the place where bullfighting is the game, to welcome you, what would I say? Did you get that one? Do you remember? Yes, but at Parkview we say hello to you. Yes, at Parkview we say hello to you. If I lived on the planet Mars, the place way high up in the stars, to welcome you, what would I say? You can make a song of it. But at Parkview we say hello to you. Yes, at Parkview we say hello to you. Now yesterday we also sang another song. Who can remember what we did yesterday? Remember I told you I had to phone Jolene to remember the words of this song. How does it start? People. And it's a good song for our current coronavirus situation because the song teaches us that we've got to all stand together. Then we will be strong. People, together forever will heal this land. Heal this land. Touching, reaching out with a helping hand, a helping hand. Sing for joy, oh Africa. The land you love is counting upon you. Sing for joy, oh Africa. The land you love is counting upon you. Now, 2, 3, 4. Jabulani, Jabulani, Africa. Ooh, Jabulani, Jabulani, Africa. Jabulani, Jabulani, Africa. Jabulani, Jabulani, Africa. Sing for joy, oh Africa. The land you love is counting upon you now. Well done. Now today we are going to learn about Africa. That's our continent that we live on. And we are going to start by looking at some shapes of African huts. Let me quickly swap posters again. All right, I'm back. Have a look at my Ndebele hut here on my poster. Can you see the beautiful shapes and colors that they use to decorate the house? Have a look at another picture here. In Africa, we love colors and we love shapes. We love things to be different, and that's why they call us the Rainbow Nation, because we're made up of lots of different kinds of colors and all kinds of different people. It's very fun. We also know a lot of different shapes already, and as you can see in the pictures, African huts are usually decorated with different colors and shapes. So let's have a look closer at all the different shapes we know. We'll start with an easy shape. I'll give you some clues. It's the shape without any corners and it's round. Which shape am I talking about? Of course. This one, a circle. What is the circle's neighbor? It's another shape with no corners, but it's not round. It's a bit longer. Yes, an oval. Now, if I had to cut the circle in half, what shape would I find? We see it often now with all the citrus fruits, the oranges and nachos out. And when mommy cuts your fruit, you see this shape. Can you remember the name? A semicircle. Now, what shape is similar to a semicircle, but it's a little bit different because it's a bit more bendy bend. Look. A crescent. Well done, leopards. Now, let's have a look at shapes with corners. Which shape do you know that has 4 sides the same and 4 corners? Yes, a square. And what about the one with 2 long sides and 2 short sides? Yes, a rectangle. Well done, leopards. Now, if we take 2 rectangles and if I'm going to say what we do with them, I'll say the name of the shape. We cross them over for a cross shape. What is the shape that you know that's got 3 corners and 3 sides? A triangle. A triangle can lie in all kinds of directions. And if we take 2 triangles and we put them above and below each other, we get this shape. What is it called? A diamond. Now let's look at some African pictures again and see if you can spot some different shapes. Now we are going to practice drawing an African hut. So you need a paper with some colourful crayons or colourful cookies. You can try using just a pen or a pencil if you don't have colours, that's okay. But if you do, we'll take a pause here so that you can go and find a paper and crayons or colours. Now, if you've got your paper and your colours, put your paper in front of you so that the one long side is here by your tummy side. So we want the long lines at the top and bottom, and the short ones must be on the sides. Now listen carefully to teacher's instructions. Choose a black colour. And we are going to start with the bottom of our hut. We are going to draw a square. So draw a line at the bottom of your page. Don't draw it as long as the paper. It's going to be shorter than the paper. Can you see? Draw your line in the middle at the bottom of the page. Then you need to give it 2 sides. Try and make it the same length as the bottom so that it looks almost like a square. Now you must estimate where the middle is of your bottom line, and you take your finger up to the top of the page, and there, when you're above the middle of the bottom line, you make yourself a tiny dot. That's what you are going to aim for to make the roof of the hut. Which shape do you think we're going to draw? A triangle. You can even close it here if you want to. It looks almost like the way that we would draw a normal house, right? Now, if you remember from the pictures I showed you earlier, a hut, another word for a hut is a rondavel. A hut is usually made with a thatch roof. Thatch means it's made from grass on the roof. And so perhaps choose some brown for the roof's grass on the top. And what's the shape of grass? It's like long lines, right? So you can fill your roof with lots of lines to show that it's made from grass. Different kinds of browns. Now I'm going to go back to my black. I need a door to get into the hut. Now we are going to draw an arch. Look at me first. It's almost like drawing a smiley face but upside down. There we go. It's like a rainbow. You guys are good with making rainbows, so draw a rainbow line for the door of your hut. And then huts typically have circle windows, but you are more than welcome to make squares or triangle windows. Once your door and your windows are done, I would like us to add some shapes, just like the Ndebele houses that we looked at. Now you can play around and use different colors for different shapes. I'm going to start with dark blue and add some triangles on mine. You can now carry on and decorate yours in your own way. And you can keep on going until your hut or your rondavel is nicely decorated with all kinds of different shapes and colors. I'm going to stop mine here for now. You can carry on after ring. Let's have a look at our green bag. Ooh, this is an interesting one. If you could choose where to spend a holiday, would you spend your holiday living in a stone pyramid, a mud hut, or a sand castle? If you've got to spend a holiday staying in one of these, which one would you choose? A stone pyramid, a mud hut, or a sand castle? Go and think about this one. Thanks for joining me for Ring. Bye-bye.